want to quickly make this short video about God, what we expecting on God. All right. So let's go into it. So we are day traders. Usually we start from daily time frame, but I'm gonna start from weekly time frame to get a proper picture of what God is doing. So we can see that God is sitting on the demand zone here. Okay, so this is my demand. All right, can I change the color here? All right, so you can see there's 2 wick here, which is the breakout structure here. All right, so I'm up at my breakout structure, and I'm gonna put it on the last candle. All right, so that's where I'll draw it, the last candle that push the breakout structure. All right, so here becomes my demand. Okay, and here become my supply. So this is where the okay, there's a rejection here. Okay, so it's gonna be my supply. Okay, so why is it my supply? Is you can see that we are making a higher high here, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So came here, make a lower low. All right, it's supposed to make a lower high here, but it make a lower low. So it comes back here, touch the supply zone. So this is why is my supply zone. Comes down here, touch again. This we're gonna see this small wick here, then pull back all the way down. So what I'm expecting now is for you to make a W pattern all the way we're going up. So this is what I'm literally expecting God to do. All right, so we are sitting on the strong demand zone. Okay, so bringing this thing out here. Okay, so this is what God is doing at this moment. All right, so in the real life market, the market is so messy, but I'm gonna arrange it properly so you can see what God is doing. Okay, so this is where we are. All right, so this is our supply zone. So you can see that this is here is higher high. Okay, I'm gonna do it capital letter, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high. Came here, make a lower low. So this is change of character. So immediately when the price push all the way down, so we know that there is a change of character, right? So some people gonna say why? How do you know? Because this supposed to be giving us you know a higher low here, right? But it went all the way down and make a lower low. So you can see it from here, from the angle here. All right, so higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this is some, you can still call it, equal high here, or, then come down here, make a lower low. All right, so it's supposed to make a higher high. It's supposed to, sorry, it's supposed to make a higher low here, but it makes equal low here or lower low. If you want to go for the weak here, right? So it make a lower low here. So when there is a lower low here and the price did not make, supposed to make a higher low, right, then it make a lower low or equal low. So you should be expecting there is a change of character, right? So meaning that very soon the sellers are coming in, the buyers are no longer in. So immediately it pulls back here, make a lower low. So we'll go here, go back to the supply zone, then rally all the way down here, then touch back again with a small wick here, all the way down. All right. So this is weekly time frame. Remember, guys. So the price is sitting on the demand zone. So this demand zone is where the buyers are sitting more. Right. So I'm gonna clear my chart. I don't want my chart to be messy. Okay, so remove this one, remove this one. Okay, so we'll continue from here. So this is gonna be what? Your lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, lower low. All right. So now it has formed. If you watch this thing here, it's gonna be. This is triple, triple bottom, right? So you're gonna see it properly on the daily time frame. So when you're gonna see it like this, it comes here, put an inducement, goes all the way down here, and the inducement, this is W, so it's forming, it's already formed two legs already formed. So I'm expecting it to go all the way high and back to the supply zone. Okay, so this is what I'm waiting. Okay, okay. Then I delete this chart. Okay. So when you come here, you're gonna map that. So this is your this is my demand zone here. All right. So this what is here is what is here. So I got this thing. I got this from here. Okay. So this is how to analyze markets like a pro. So this is what I got here. So I just pull it out, put it here in order to get good in order to get good setup. Okay. All right. I hope you guys getting it. Okay. So this is what I'm expecting. All right. So when it comes here, make an triple top. This triple bottom. Sorry. So it comes here. It comes here. So I'm expecting gold to rally. All the way up. So this is all correctional movement. So gold has been buying, buying and buying and buying. So this is just a correctional, movement. So for him to continue all the way up, So coming to the daily time frame. So the daily time frame. So what I do is you guys know that I trade wedge pattern. So all I see is the wedge pattern here. Okay, so I just draw the wedge pattern. So if you don't know how to trade the wedge patterns, you can go watch on my previous video, my live video. You're gonna see how to draw the wedge pattern. Okay, so you're coming back to 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame is where you can see more clearly. Okay, all right. Okay, so all I'm waiting now is for gold to cross this resistance, retest, and start going all the way up. Okay, so this is what I'm waiting from the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so let's go back to the daily time frame so that we can see properly. Okay, so there's a resistance here, a strong resistance here. Okay, there's a strong resistance here. So as soon as gold price cross this resistance, so we are going all the way up. Okay, so I'm gonna come here. put on mine and wait for my buy here setup. Okay, so sometimes I go back to, usually I like to, go watch, take my entry from the 15 minutes time frame. But from the 15-minute time frame is a little bit, messy, a little bit, not too clear. But I'm gonna use my, my SMC. I always use my smart money concept to get a, perfect entry, smart, sniper entry. So I'm gonna wait for price to come here or here. All right, then if price comes here or comes here, then we are buying. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here. So let's put it here. So let's wait for Asian section. We're gonna get a pullback. When we get pullback, then continuation to the upside. Okay, so this is gonna be my, I have two traps here I'm waiting for. So this is gonna be my point of entry. Gonna be my point of entry. Okay, so let me put it this way. Okay, we are waiting for price to come here, buy, price to come here on this one, we buy. So any of this one, we're gonna keep our eyes on it. Okay, all right guys, this is literally what I'm waiting for. My next video I'm gonna make BTC. So what I saw on BTC, Invest Head and Shoulder, which I posted I posted it over the weekend, and it's all playing well. So we have already hit TP1, and TP1 is going to TP2. So let's I'm gonna make a video so you can also learn from it. So like I said, what I normally trade is wedge pattern, bearish, wedge, bearish flag, bullish flag, wedge pattern, triangular pattern. So this is all I trade. If you follow me, you should know anytime I see such, setup, like the ascending triangle, symmetric triangle, descending triangle. So that's the things that give me confidence. And as well, if I see a bullish, flag, bearish flag, all those setup, I just, wait for the liquidity sweep, and trade also at the section. Usually I trade these days Asian section and New York section. All right, so which align, with the kind of, the the work I'm having, the work I have, just to balance, balance my activity because of the area, the country I am. So usually London section, I'm, sleeping, so it doesn't work for me, and my brain need to rest as well, so that I can be able to make a good decision. So guys, so let's let's wait and see Wednesday and tomorrow, how everything go. All right guys, take care, and follow for more. Bye.